Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Morgan Schaffer staff in our headquarters in Montreal, Canada, and Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, welcome. Tonight we welcome Morgan Schaffer CEO and your keynote speaker, Richard Bérubé. Richard received a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from McGill University in 1984. He then held positions in engineering, instrument design, and sales. He joined Morgan Schaffer in 1991 as the co-founder with Dr. James E. Morgan of Morgan Schaffer Systems Incorporated, the instrument manufacturing subsidiary of Morgan Schaffer. He then became CEO and chairman of the board of Morgan Schaffer Incorporated in 1999, pursuant to Dr. Morgan's retirement. Richard has been a member of the Order of Engineers of Quebec since 1986 and has written several articles and technical papers on transformer monitoring and measurement of key parameters dissolved in dielectric fluids. He is also a board member of the Quebec CEO Club, a nonprofit organization dedicated to helping more than 1,500 CEOs make their companies more successful through experience sharing. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Richard Bérubé. And enjoy tonight's presentation. 1. The best just got better.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for attending our event tonight. As you know, the theme of this event is one. Why? Because we think Morgan Schaffer's products and services are converging to create one amazing portfolio. First, Morgan Schaffer's world-class lab services and True North gas and oil standards, which over the last 50 years have benefited customers from all over the world and have made Morgan Schaffer the most trusted reference in dissolved gas analysis. Second, our InsideView diagnostic software, packed with a range of customizable features to help easily determine the condition of oil-filled assets. InsideView is the most comprehensive and powerful tool for managing and interpreting transformer oil test data. And finally, Morgan Schaffer's Callisto DGA monitors, which offer unbeatable performance, reliability, and best-in-market accuracy. We like to say at Morgan Schaffer, only trust the best to deliver the best results. All right? So let's get down to business. What do we have on the agenda tonight? First, we will see how customers can validate the performance of their oil testing laboratory. What do you do when you have different results from different labs? We will then see how oil test data can be managed and used efficiently to identify outliers within your transformer fleet. To conclude, we will dig into the improvements that we made to our Callisto online monitors to ease your life while deploying and using the best DGA monitoring technology currently available on the market. Please note that all the improvements we are bringing to you tonight are the results of our clients' feedback. You are the ones making our products and services better. Throughout tonight's presentation, I will be sharing examples of how responsive we are to your feedback. The first example I'd like to share with you is about an asset manager in a utility in Oklahoma. This asset manager got different DGA results from two different labs. He had submitted samples of the same oil, but the results didn't match. He contacted Morgan Schaffer looking for a third opinion. The first thing he realized was that our requirements for oil sampling were different. He also received different results from us. However, we were able to discuss these results, demonstrate why they were accurate, and assist him with interpretation. This experience made us realize that test results are not sufficient for clients. Sharing knowledge and expertise with you throughout the entire process ensures that you trust our results and make all of us work as one team. So in light of this situation and many similar ones, Morgan Schaffer decided to develop 2 special packages for laboratory performance validation. Our first package is called the introduction package. This package is used when you want to try a Morgan Schaffer laboratory for the first time. It contains everything you need to properly extract oil samples and forward them to one of our labs. And I'm saying samples with an S because we will conduct not only DGA, but a series of ASTM standard tests that will provide information for an overall diagnostic of your transformer. This means that one of our specialists will go through our test report step by step with you. Our second package is called the validation package. As the name says, our validation package allows you to validate the accuracy of your current lab and compare its overall performance with a Morgan Schaffer laboratory. The package contains sampling devices and instructions to send a duplicate sample to your current lab and a Morgan Schaffer laboratory for DGA analysis. It also allows you to trigger the shipping of a True North DGA gas and oil standard to your current lab to validate its accuracy. Upon receiving the results from your lab and from Morgan Schaffer, one of our specialists will review them with you in order to evaluate your lab accuracy compared to Morgan Schaffer. Now, I just use a word that really excites me. Accuracy. And Morgan Schaffer True North gas and oil standards exemplify accuracy. Certified to ISO 34 and used worldwide by over 100 oil testing laboratories, True North standards set the reference in DGA accuracy. Recently, members of the Utility Laboratory Managers Association, ULMA, an association formed by lab managers from utilities across the United States and Canada, asked us to grow our True North standards portfolio to include more concentrations and more oil types. Being able to calibrate their DGA methods over the entire concentration range and for many different oil types has become critical for these labs, as transformer fleets have evolved to meet increasingly demanding performance and environmental requirements. So in response to these needs, Morgan Schaffer came up with an extended offer of DGA oil standards, which we will be presenting to you momentarily. However, before looking at this short True North video, let me share this story about one of our new clients in Pennsylvania. When this asset manager approached us for oil testing, his requirement was clear. Morgan Schaffer had to behave as a partner. Not only did we have to provide speedy service and accurate results, but we also had to flag any outlier that would come up in their transformer fleet. The reason for this request was clear. This client wanted us to optimize the time of his condition assessment and maintenance resources by focusing them solely on assets requiring attention. Our teams were thrilled with this challenge. Using their expertise and our InsideView diagnostic software, they came up with a process that allows them to accurately detect outliers. This new capability, coupled with our staff experience and approach to client care, is now allowing us to offer interpretation services to all clients who need them. Interpretation services, accurate results, and True North validation standards are some of the tools we offer you in order to become your #1 partner in DGA monitoring.
One standard that sets the standards across the industry. Morgan Schaffer enhances its laboratory product line with new True North DGA oil concentrations and standards. As part of our continuous commitment to quality assurance, our product range has grown to include our original True North mineral oil standard and introducing the new True North silicone oil, synthetic esters, and natural esters standard. The True North product range has also grown to include new concentrations of 5, 50, and 1000 ppm. The portfolio now available enables completion of a full 5-point calibration curve. The world's only commercial oil standard makes it easy and affordable to ensure accurate calibration of your laboratory instruments and reliable DGA results every time. True North. Accuracy sets the standards.
As some of you may know, Morgan Schaffer celebrated its 50th birthday last year. Over this 50-year period, we have strived to provide best-in-market services and equipment. To achieve this, we have built an amazing workforce of qualified and experienced chemists, technicians, engineers, and scientists. However, we realized a few years ago that data is not information, and that sound decisions are made using clear and actionable information. We realized that easy-to-deploy diagnostic software would be necessary to take asset managers and condition-based maintenance engineers to the next level. I'm therefore thrilled to move on to our next topic, InsideView. InsideView is Morgan Schaffer's newest venture. This insulating oil diagnostic software analyzes data from any oil-filled asset, transformer tanks, load tap changers, and oil-filled cables. Data can come from any source: your lab, online monitors, portable testers, and archived databases. Let me share with you an InsideView testimonial we received from a senior engineer at Meridian Energy, New Zealand's largest power generator. Their first feedback confirmed that we had met their need for a platform which features an intuitive interface and which facilitates access to data that matters. Their second feedback really excited us. They recognized one of the unique features of InsideView, the ability to amalgamate data from monitors and from the lab in one useful view to confirm at a glance the behavior of an asset. Finally, Meridian recognized the ability of our people to support them, listen to their comments, and provide them rapidly with improved software versions based on their feedback. As our goal is to be your #1 DGA partner, when you talk, we listen. Now, the early adopters of InsideView, such as Meridian, praised the features of the platform, but wanted more, such as an overall view of their fleet, the ability to use their own health evaluation criteria, and high-level statistical tools. We listened and move forward with the development within less than a year of InsideView 5.0. Offered as a server-based application or cloud service, InsideView meets your most stringent IT and security requirements. InsideView is not just software. Working with you as one team, Morgan Schaffer technical support staffs, trainers, and analytics experts deploy and populate InsideView with your historical data and preferred filtering and diagnostic rules. We then ensure InsideView provides you with the level of visibility and advanced warning you want. With this personalized dashboard and InsideView's notification capabilities, you are then able to focus your attention on the right place at the right time. InsideView 5.0, Morgan Schaffer's response to your need for one solution for diagnosing and monitoring the condition of your entire fleet of oil-filled assets.
One diagnostic software that revolutionizes the way you view and manage your entire transformer fleet. In version 5.0, we have added a host of powerful new features to give you exactly what you've been looking for. The new Fleet View offers powerful functions to assess the status of an entire fleet of transformers. The dashboard is a customized view of the current status, current values, and pending actions for your fleet. It is both an interactive tool to navigate and access relevant real-time information and is also a planning tool to stay in control of follow-up. And the Statistics View gives you the power to perform statistical analysis of all historical data of each asset, enabling you to generate specific thresholds for a group of assets. Statistics give you the ability to highlight outliers and reuse past experience, discovering behavior patterns to identify and manage problems rapidly. Save time, manage risk proactively, and make informed decisions like never before. InsideView version 5.0. Accuracy-driven decisions.
As some of you may have noticed at the end of this video, Morgan Schaffer strongly believes that sound decisions require accurate data. And since we have been talking about oilfield assets monitoring, I'd like to move on to our next topic, Callisto monitors. Customers count on online DGA monitors to detect and monitor faults at the earliest stage and for extended periods of time. Let me share this last story with you. A few years ago, Entergy, a southern utility, decided to deploy several Callisto 9 monitors. One of these monitors was installed on a new transformer and detected dangerously high levels of acetylene and methane as soon as the transformer was energized. Entergy confirmed the Callisto reading on-site right away using a portable DGA analyzer. They also sent an oil sample to their lab and to Morgan Schaffer to confirm that the Callisto 9 was measuring accurately. Upon confirmation of the readings, they took the transformer out of service. John Lawrence, senior electrical engineer at Entergy Services, provided us with the following feedback. The installed multigas DGA instrument alerted us very early in the process, and I think it did keep a total failure of the transformer from happening. We used manual samples to cross-check and verify the installed multigas DGA instrument, and the lab results supported what the installed DGA instrument was telling us. These comments highlight the benefits that our clients are seeking: low-level detection, reliability, and accuracy. The trust that our clients must have in our monitors' reliability and performance is critical to their value. Low cost of ownership is also essential if our clients are to reap the benefits of their condition-based maintenance programs. With these needs in mind, Morgan Schaffer R&D and engineering teams were given the task of developing new Callisto multigas models that would focus on best-in-market reliability, and low cost of ownership. The result is new monitors that were designed for manufacturing and assembly, new monitors that were tested extensively at Morgan Schaffer and at customer sites since last summer. In fact, one of our trial clients is AkzoNobel, a Canadian chemical company. The new 9-gas Callisto installed at AkzoNobel reported sharp peaks of hydrogen and acetylene 3 months after commissioning. Because of our Callisto, Akzo avoided a major transformer failure and potential plant closure. Akzo likes us. What are the benefits of our new Callisto multigas monitors? Best-in-market detection limits and accuracy, designed to sustain the harshest environments, simplified field installation, and virtually maintenance-free. Dear guests, we are proud to present our most recent multigas instruments, Callisto C501 and C901, the most reliable and accurate online DGA monitors in the market.
One DGA monitor that is designed to be the most reliable and advanced monitoring equipment in the industry. As part of our continued commitment to unbeatable excellence, our in-house research and development team achieves, once again, accuracy by design. Introducing the new Callisto 501 and Callisto 901 models. A new carrier gas manifold is now factory installed on the Callisto 5 and 9 units, simplifying both the installation process and cylinder changes. A new calibration gas cylinder has been developed to allow for easy, leak-free cylinder changes. The manual purge valve has also been removed for a simpler installation process. Routine maintenance has been reduced by increasing the lifetime of the calibration and carrier gas cylinders to 4 years. Data storage has been extended from 6 to 8 years. Communication-wise, Callisto 5 and Callisto 9 now offer 2 copper Ethernet ports and 2 optional communication cards to choose from: optical Ethernet, relay, or analog. These are the new additions to Morgan Schaffer's line of DGA monitors for power transformers and other oil-filled electrical assets, showcasing once again the evidence of more than 50 years of DGA expertise. The best just got better. Callisto, diagnostic monitors. Accuracy by design.
This evening, we have shown you different solutions for monitoring the status of your oil-filled assets. Morgan Schaffer's lab services, diagnostic software, and DGA monitors complement each other perfectly to offer you one integrated solution. We thank you very much for taking the time to attend this event and would like to invite you to stay with us for our reception. We will be happy to answer any questions and have discussions about your current and future monitoring projects. But there is one more thing we would like to share with you. Our InsideView cloud software, new Callisto monitors, and lab introduction and validation packages are available to you for trial free of charge. Come and see us later tonight or at booth 1446 to discuss the details of an on-site trial and to get your lab packages. Experience the solutions of Morgan Schaffer's portfolio, and let's work together as one team. Thank you.
when it comes to service, accuracy, and reliability, Morgan Schaffer is the one. The best just got better. Morgan Schaffer. Accuracy is everything.